This is our calendar for today. Now, my friends, yesterday's number. Take a look at yesterday's number. Does anyone know what it was? Show me a thumb if you do. If you know what number that is. Henry, what number is this?
Wait, say again.
9. So, Henry, what does that make today? Good job, Henry. Fireworks cheer for Henry. All right, so today is... Oh my goodness. That's yesterday. All right. So today is September 10th, and today is... Like all of a sudden, all my screens just blacked out for a second. All right. Today is Thursday, September 10th, 2020. So, if today is 10, what number comes before 10? Noah, what number was it yesterday? What comes before 10? 9. All right. So, if yesterday was 9? Today, if today is 10. Dreate, what's tomorrow then? Good job, Dreate. All right, that means tomorrow is 11. All right, let's go to our 10 frames. We are going to move a counter over. Who thinks that they can count the 10 frames? Show me a thumb if you can. Aaron, how many counters do you see up here?
3.
All right, Aaron, I'm going to try. This is going to get tricky. Are you ready? How many counters are there now? Okay, Aaron, it's going to get trickier. How many counters are there now? You're right. So does it matter where the counters go? You mean I could put these counters anywhere, and if I'm not taking away or adding on, my answer stays the same? All right, let's just double check. How many counters are there now? Everyone. 3. Ooh, our answer's the same no matter where they go. All right. Except for the crooked one. All right, let's go on to tally marks. I'm going to ask my friend Angry Bird to count some tally marks. AKA Noe. All right. Noe, can you count the tally marks for us, good sir? 3? You didn't even need to count. You just knew it. You was like, boom, 3. All right. Let's do our hundreds chart. Okay, now my friends, first we started off with 1. And then yesterday was 2. Who knows what today's number is? Show me a thumb. Elias, what's today's number?
It's actually number 3. Yay!
Good
Good job.
job. It is 3. Okay, next question. Are you guys ready? Which way is our circle moving? Is it moving side to side, or is it moving up and down? Show me a thumb if you know which way our circle is moving. We started off with 1, then we went to 2, and now we're at 3. Which way is our circle moving? Is it moving side to side, or is it moving up and down? I will ask Henry. Looks like he has an answer. Henry, which way is our circle moving? Side to side or up and down? Side to side. So, Henry, follow-up question. Are you ready? Where is the circle going to be tomorrow? What number is it going to be on tomorrow? Good job, Henry. It is moving side to side because we're adding by ones. All right. Let's move on to our weather. Does anyone know what the weather is today? That's like legit me asking the question because I went from my house to school and I barely been outside. Let's see, who is that? How about Jose? What's the weather today? Is it rainy, snowy, sunny, partly cloudy, windy, or cloudy? He says cloudy. I would agree. Show me a thumb if you heard it rain last night. Just me? All right. All right. Good job. And let's go back to morning message. Let's see if we can do morning message today. So today is September 10th. Who has a story they want to share? It could be something that you did. It could be something that you like. It could be anything that you want. Show me a thumb if you have something you want to share with your friends. Elias! Tell us something, Elias.
Tell Mr. Chin. Mr. Chin.
Hi.
What did you share? Me.
Tell us something that you like.
What's the question again? I'm
sorry. He can share something that he did yesterday. He can tell us something that he likes.
What did you do yesterday? Do you remember? Yeah. What did you do? I remember. You remember? Yeah. Can you tell Mr. Chen? What do you like? I like. Do you like school? I like school too.
Ooh, good one. Let's write that down. Elias, space, likes school. All right. I think I'll do one more person. I'm feeling lucky today. Noe, is that a hand? Do you have something you want to share with us, Noe? Go ahead. Okay, Noe played outside with his dad. So that's 6 words. So we're going to write Noe played. Then I'm going to add a space with, oh, I'm sorry. I forgot. Played outside. So let me change that. Outside with his dad. Let me make sure I have all my 6 of my words. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Make sure it makes sense. Noe played outside with his dad. Good. All right, so let's read our message together. Ready? Today is September 10th. Elias likes school. Noe played outside with his dad. All right.